Alright, once again, the man himself. One side to the landslide, himself, Mr. Masicka, come out with the song, Mute. Oh shit, I don't have the stream bar so I can't make no noise. Yeah, we just don't waste no money on things, see me? Waste enough money on the whole heap of things. And, yes, but anyway, come again, Masicka, run it. Make we hear what you have, me J. Me all fucking up already. You know say I'll get copyright. Yeah.
Call it brave, don't
call it up. Yeah. Now remember, if you pause the video every 10 seconds, you don't know why reason already.
One aim of the riches, I'm a target up. I'm a target up. See my family suffer cause me hard for broke. Paper.
You remember if you like, comment, share, subscribe. I forgot, my bad.
Chase need that fast as fuck. Fling up a castle, make kill a blast a chuck. Riches are flow, so pass a cup. What them must say again, cough it up.
Yo. Masicka flow them kind of sound the same, man. I'm not gonna be no hypocrite and say no. But at the same time, bro, the man sound just entertaining. So, you see me?
Lucky business without the sword. Knocky 16, me love for short. Put it on the big screen where I throat. So me cock up Christine and I cope.
Put it on the big fucking screen cause where I throat. Cock up Christine and I cope. Lord of God.
Can't shake the money tree where I wrote. Rich blood me take.
Can't shake the money tree where I wrote. Youth! The dog tough, you know. The dog. Right, the only thing I see with Masicka, bro, is just the flow just sounds so similar to every song, dog. But the rhythm kind of make it sound different. But if you're a music lover, you're gonna see that the flow is the same. You see me? But anyway,
never die out, and if you not talk money, not the scheme, the guy. Me not drive by for fly guy tote.
Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.
That boy a slide night boat and sing bout that you know while oh. Lord we stop the crime like glow. Vanish down the 9 brand new, so me jam a gun.
Man say kill a boy and slide in a boat and sing about that. Yo!
Pint and slow. The party done, me lie down few. Me killer flash the rum, this life down you. Pop off me thing, guys don't screw. Lights out.
Man say party done and slide pan few. What dog I say? If man many me there on a stage show, I'm go for that after a stage show in a dog. Man sick.
I found you, pan clip, wipe out crow. Man sick and them hype or flow. Man rich and never hype on you. Pop a little bit of style and I go no clue.
Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Yo, this are gonna ring in our ears like a bell now, you know. Me know Jamaica turn over with this now, you know.
Pussy me and the buried around you. Top of the city, a cloud view. Mute. Lucky business without the sword.
Pumbo clot. Mute. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Lucky business without his sword. Oh, I'm to them. And the man mean that took a ride over, man. Like that's all your fuck.
Knocky 16, me love for short. Put it on the big screen where I throat. So me cock up Christine and I cope. Them can't shake the money tree where I wrote.
Yo, that sounds simple but it's tough, you know. You can't shake your money tree where I wrote, you know. Yo.
Rich blood, me thing never die out. And if you not talk money, not the scheme, the guy. Me out grains, just grains. That a gun smoke, that a blood stain.
Please, don't argue with me because I really don't like people talking. But please, I have to pause the video every 10 seconds because they might copyright the channel. I'm going one strike already, bro. See me? Because I'm there at work, I'm never remember to delete the fucking video. Excuse my language, mama and mommy.
I argue my first game. Run up our bus brain with a tuck chain. Killer which part, don't take up name. Hey, smarty take him up, cloud set up rain.
Killer who? Pussy don't take up name. Smarty take him up. Cloud set up rain.
I will bounce up a grains. Head a bounce up a grains. Bad and rich, we insane. My girl bad and thick, wicked frame. Out we out.
My girl bad and thick wicked frame. Rich and insane. Lord of God. On the really think alkaline can't take Masicka? On the sick in on head, man.
Kiss him. Boy, violate, we bring in pain. We fling flame. Till my shoulder feel fucking sprain. Bust short like we cutting.
Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Boss short like we cutting.
Like we cutting cane. Yeah. Note. Lucky business without the soul. Knocky 16, my love for short.
Youth, I knew thought that. Mute! Bumbuckler. Mute!
Put it on the big screen where I
When a boy chat too much, just say mute!
short. Some cock up Christine and I cope.
Woo!
Them can't shake the money tree where I wrote.
Woo!
Rich blood, me thing never dilute. And if I
Rich bumbuckler blood will never dilute. I want to know, man.
can't talk money, not the scheme, the guy. Mute. Chip style. I saw me turn up like a brick wall. Every second is another milk car.
Room! Every second is another milk call.
Weapon where them gather will fall.
Yo. The man say, every weapon where them gather will fall. Man literally take a Bible verse and turn it in a gun verse. Bumbuckler.
Click the matic a flick back.
What me say?
Boy try run and him style. On the ground and when him sprawl. If it jump and sprawl, see it.
Boy try run on him blood clot style. I'm to know.
Somewhere I top up. Call it brave, don't
call it.
One aim of the riches, I'm a target.
Target up.
Yeah, my target up. See my family suffer.
Please comment down below and tell me if you really have this ideology say Alkaline can literally take on Masicka in a clash. Like bro, Alkaline bad, you know. Bad artist. Not a lot from him. But I don't think him can take Masicka in a clash.
Ask me hard for bro. Paper chase need that fast as fuck. Fling up a castle, make killer blast it up. Riches are flow, so
Rich out me dog.
What them must say again?
Yeah man, that's how we are gonna start doing it. Mute. Yeah man.
Cough it up. Mute.
Lucky business without the sword.
Lucky 16, my love for short. Put it on the big screen where I chose.
Yo, from this man, man, listen again, brother. From this man, you know, I'm gonna go wash off your ZX10, you know, and jump on it with the thing, you know, I'm sure, you know. I want my thing fly out of this dog. Oh, wait there. Oh, see camera. When my thing fly out of me, hey. From morning, me a bounce this on the dog.
Some cock up Christine and I cope. Them can't shake the money tree where I wrote.
Yo, is a new girl talk that if a girl tell us she name Christine, I say Christine want cock you up in like cope. You see it?
Rich blood, my thing never dilute.
Never dilute, dude.
Money not the scheme, the guy.
Mute. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Alright, that is the song. Yeah. Spaceship. Alien brain. Alien everything, me G. Make we bring it back to the G, you know. Yeah. I wait there, right, that's all. Alright, first thing first. More say like, comment, share, subscribe. No, the song. Play on words, metaphors, lyrics, rhyme, video quality. I say video quality mean editing and everything. See me? The concept of the video, 10 out of 10. Masicka is a phenomenal production when it comes on to music, and we can't take that from him. One thing I love is that the dog take him time for dropping music them, and him not drop no fuckery. You see me? You can tell him not drop no fuckery, dog. Him not drop good quality music. You see me? And that's one thing I will love. Now, once I like, comment, share, subscribe. Now I want you to comment down below and let me know what you think about the song myself. Because to me, the song is a 10 out of 10 from all different aspects of what the song is and what the song represent. You see me? So please, let me know. Soon the next one.